A very warm welcome to Ultimate Tekla Connection Course. As an expert Tekla trainer and user, I'm excited to guide you through a transformative learning journey by sharing my knowledge with you. This course is your gateway to mastering steel connections from basic to intricate complexities. In this comprehensive course, we dwell into the core of steel connection detailing, covering a wide spectrum of commonly used connections. From simple joints to complex intersections, you will gain unparalleled insights into Tekla's robust tools that facilitate connection creation without the need to explode components. Our unique focus on preserving the integrity of a model ensures a streamlined and efficient detailing process. To unlock the power of Tekla's inbuilt features, I have covered 20 plus commonly used connections in most of the environments. For example, you can see on this side, these are the training sketches, and on the other side, these are the homework sketches. Once you complete each component module, then you have to do a set of practice sessions. For example, I'm taking this bolted gusset connection. We will be doing this connection together. So there are 4 connections here: base plate, gusset plate, shear plate, and stiffener. This is type 2, type 3, 4, and 5. Once we complete this 5 training sessions, then you will be doing these homework sketches: type 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. While doing the practice session, if you are stuck with some connection details, you can go back to the model and just double click and open the connection details to see how this connection has been created. Double click and open the connection properties. You can navigate through the pages and see how this connection has been created. The reason why this course is so special, it's not just about learning these connections, but also you will be doing some training sketches to make the session more interactive and interesting learning. This model has been created in Australian Environment version 2021. I understand you may not be familiar with the Australian standards, but remember, this is just the training. Once you complete the training, you can apply this knowledge in any of the environments because the connections and the concept would be exactly the same. So if you have any specific questions, feel free to get in touch with me. So get enrolled and let's build a strong foundation for your success together.